Hey, it's Freddie from Tracker, and a lot of people might not realize this, but Tracker has a full marketing suite built into the platform. So instead of going out and buying an expensive marketing only platform, take a look at what Tracker has to offer. What you're going to see may surprise you. Of course, this is only a 5-minute video, so we aren't going to be able to show you everything. So be sure to go to our website and request a demo. If you need to send a single instance out, Campaigns and Tracker is the perfect place to start. Let's create a new campaign, a newsletter, and let's call it Super Awesome Campaign. It's going to now take me out to the Campaign Builder tool where we'll be able to put our email together. If I wanted to, I could go in and build this newsletter from scratch using buttons, images, tables, and more. But today, I don't feel like working that hard. So we're going to navigate out of this. And as you can see, Tracker has put together a ton of pre-designed marketing templates to make your life easier. I mean, look at all those good looking templates. I simply just choose which template I want to start building from and go from there. Now I just have to go in and make my changes. I have a full built-in image library that I can organize neatly with folders. I can have multiple logos, stock images, whatever you want in here. I can then add text fields, rows, columns, tables, buttons, you name it. As always, Tracker's got you covered. I can then go in and add links to my images, text, buttons, whatever it may be. And then we're going to go in and we're going to track those link clicks. Don't you worry about that. This is professional stuff we're talking about here. So you don't have a stockpile of images and you don't feel like searching everywhere around on the internet. Tracker has you covered with our built-in photo tool where you can search and use stock images without ever leaving Tracker. How cool is that? Okay, so maybe there's an editing tool out there that you really like to build things in. Well, Tracker's got you covered there too, with our ability to just drop in HTML from wherever you design it. I did this one here right inside of Canva. Next, we're going to have to decide who's actually getting this campaign. So to pick our recipients, we can choose which send list we want to send this to. You can also choose to exclude people that may be on another send list. So you can get pretty granular here. Creating a send list is super simple and you can have as many as you like. Now let's schedule this thing to be delivered. I could choose to send this from my own email account, or I could use Tracker's bulk send server that we're constantly monitoring. So it's going to protect you from those dreaded spam folders. I can send it now, or I can schedule it to be delivered at a later date and time. Do you want to send a series of engaging emails and maybe some text messages as well? That's right, we can automate texting as well. Sequences and Tracker allow you to build out multi step campaigns, and you can really add rocket fuel to it with Tracker automation. Just like in campaigns, you can either use our plain text editor, embed HTML, or choose another one of those good looking templates. Creating a new step is simple. Just name the step and then choose how long after the kickoff date you want this step to happen and what type of step it is. You can have as many steps as you want in a sequence, and they can run for as long as you would like them to run. There aren't too many limitations with Tracker's automation and sequences. Instead of manually choosing lists or individuals to send the sequence to, we can automatically fire off a sequence to contacts or candidates based on many parameters. A couple examples would be that if a candidate status changed from working to available, Tracker can start a sequence automatically. Or if there's been a certain amount of time passed since your last interaction, we can base a sequence off of that. We can stop a sequence based on if they reply, or if it's a positive or negative reply with Tracker sentiment analysis. We could spend all day talking about Tracker's automation and how easy it is to use. Whether it's a campaign or a sequence, we're going to give you actionable insights into not only the number of successful sends, but also real time engagement results based on opens and clicks broken down per step. so you can track how well different kinds of messaging is working. You can use this to A B test messaging or subject lines, or just get a better understanding of what day of the week and what time you get the best open rates. These results here are from a campaign we sent internally. That's right, we use Tracker for all of our marketing efforts because we know it works. Thanks so much for joining me today. Tracker's marketing and automation engine is sure to help your business. Whether it's to drive new business, engage clients or candidates, automate certain tasks, or to onboard new clients, or the innumerable other ways that you're able to utilize this tool. In such a short video, it's hard to show you all the possibilities out there, but I hope you saw enough to want to go to our website and request a demo today.